Hello and welcome to day 3 of the Crochet Society Advent Calendar. So today we are on day 3, but first of all let's have a quick reminder of what was day 1 and 2. So day 1 we had this granny square. Well, we called it textured trebles. The idea is it's ribbed with just using the treble crochet stitch, but you pull one through a bar to create the ribbing. And we got the 4mm hook. And then day 2, the square was a tapestry style. So this is the back of mine. So as you can see, it's a heart on a pinkish background, and then the hook that we got for that was a 3.5. Now the square itself mainly used the 4mm hook, but then to tie the edges we used the 3mm hook to create slightly smaller, tighter rows. Okay, so that was day 1 and 2. So now we're looking at day 3. So in day 3 we have got, it looks like some red wool, well, reddy brown. Let's see what colour this is. Again, it's in the DK, the confection DK from Bella Coco. They do this, I think it's exclusively for their boxes, so it's not something that you can buy separately, but it is beautiful wool to work with. And this one is in the colour Wine Gums, so that's quite nice. So hopefully that'll feature in today's square. And then in this little box, let's see what's in the little box, which I did take the sticky label off before because it annoyed me. We have got some little collapsible scissors. So these are excellent actually. If I can just open them up. Okay, as you can see, they are fully collapsible scissors, and they fold up so that they are fully safe, which is what I quite like about them. Now I have actually got, so these are a sort of gold colour scissors, which I absolutely love. The Crochet Society have done multiple pairs of these in the past. I've got some blue ones and I've also got some pink ones. They are fabulous just for sticking in your project bag, and you can be sure that you're not going to stab yourself, which is lovely. So that is day 3, and as you can also see, when you finish off the day, you put the boxes back to front, and if you look at that one and you look at that one up there, they actually have a pattern on. So I'm guessing as we uncover the backs, we're going to have a little bit of a jigsaw effect and create a new image to use as an alternative to a Christmas box, which I think is quite good. So yeah, join me again tomorrow where you can see whether I've A, finished off day 3, and B, see what's in day 4. Where's day 4? There's day 4. So we'll open that one up tomorrow. Thank you. See you tomorrow.